my name is Garth Milne and welcome to this month's fitness tip. Today we're going to talk about internal hip rotation, and specifically in golf positioning here. So we're going to get Dale to do a single leg step up with rotation, what we like to call a Heisman Trophy. So he's going to pop his left leg up on the bench, he's going to do a step up, bring the leg up to 90 degrees. Now from here he's going to rotate his pelvis towards me and then take it back to neutral and then step back down. So you can see how he posts up on this left hand side. So repeat that out. So he's from here, he's going to step up, post into a firm left leg, and then he's going to rotate and then put it back down. So you can see how this posting of the left leg is important in golf, because that gives me a firm left side to then post into and then rotate and clear my hips through. So keep going, you can repeat that out, do a couple of reps for us there, leg up to 90 and then rotate across. And Dale's really focusing here on getting the belt buckle across to me. So he really rotates across his foot and down. Try this exercise at home or at the gym. It's a really good way to build up strength in your hip rotation muscles as well as the stability of the body.